How to customize your AI sensitivity for better result in Aftershoot. So you need to manage your culling settings. For this, like after you create your album, what you can do is go to the cull option at the top. Inside cull, click on start AI culling. Now over here, you can choose customize. Inside customize, you can choose if you want to detect duplicate photos or detect highlights or blurry photos. Once this is on, you can choose if it is just a little blurry, you want it to be okay, make sure to set it on lenient. But if you set it on strict, then if it is just slightly blurry or the AI thinks it's slightly blurry, it's going to remove that photo. All right. So it depends on what your taste is. Are you okay with a bit blurriness or just medium or high? So you want to choose. With moderate, if it's a bit blurry, it's going to choose it. If it is highly blurry, it's going to remove it. But if it's on strict, just a little bit of blurriness is also going to be removed. Not just blurriness, even duplication and all these things. Like this over here, affects all of this. And the amount of selected photos. How do you want? How many photos do you want? Do you want to go extreme, few, standard? How many photos do you want at the end? And just click on start culling, and it's going to start the culling and it's going to give you the result. And you can also choose what the photo is. My photo is pretty much random, so I'm just gonna choose wedding and engagement. But if your photos are school related, any specific niche related, make sure to select that. It's going to be better for you. And just click on start culling and you're good to go. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.